Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya. I'm an esthetician living in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm also a YouTuber. I have a special video for you guys today just because it's something I have never done. It's something that I don't even think I was processing doing it. Yeah, never. So I've never actually thought of doing this kind of video. I just said, okay, let me just try it out. So you guys know that this period a lot of people would want to come into the creative space of YouTube. So, and if you've been wondering, you don't know how to go about it, you don't know how to edit the videos and all of that, I'm going to give you like a brief editing or how to edit your videos tutorial here. Yeah, this is my first time doing anything tutorial for editing or whatever, or creative acts or whatever. So this is my first time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you engage with it. Please guys, I will not stop saying this, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today's video is going to consist of me showing you the apps that I use for YouTube basically, and editing and everything concerning editing, and then we'll go into like how we edit. I learned this on the job. I didn't go anywhere to learn how to edit. I just basically just learned it from, you know, editing videos, and just continue to edit videos generally as I go. The app I'm going to be talking about, actually, because there are two apps that I use normally for editing, even for Instagram. You can use them either paying the pro or just using them regularly like that. So then they are very straightforward actually in editing, especially when it is when you know what you want to edit and why you're editing the video in the first place. So you just have to get that out of the way to know, okay, this is how I want my videos to be, this is how I want my videos to look like, and all of that. So it just helps you to, you know, understand what you want to do basically. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to engage with this video, okay? Thanks. Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you the app that I use to edit. And here you will see this folder that says YouTube / editing apps. I'm going to open it right here, and you will see all the apps that I use when it comes to YouTube and editing. So for editing videos, I use InShot and CapCut. Then for my thumbnail, I use Canva. Then for editing my pictures, I use FaceApp. So those are the apps that I use. So now we're going to be going into editing, and for YouTube I use InShot, and for Instagram I use CapCut. So let's go into. I already have a video opened up here, and that's the intro for this particular video that I'm making right now. And one good thing I love about this app is that your work doesn't go away. Even if you stop using it or your phone goes off, it would automatically like save what you're working on. So now this is the video we're working with, and I'm going to like increase the volume first of all. Okay, so after that I'm going to pay attention to see from where to where I need to cut out. So let's start. I play. Hi guys, welcome. So where I see that there was a delay before I said hi guys, I'm going to cut that off because I don't want it. So you move around till you see split. When you split it, then you highlight the parts where you don't want, and then you delete. So let's continue. Hey guys, welcome back. You notice that it kind of cut out the hi guys a little bit. So I highlight it again, and this arrow stuff, you press it down and move a little bit, adjusting it, then you place it listening. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to still move it a little bit, I just take a little step, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya. I like that. So first of all, for the purpose of this video, I want to show you guys everything I do. So I come here and then I put my name. I put my name, Paula Nanya, and I put it right here. I change the color because that's not what I want to use. Okay, so I use something different again. So one thing I go with is to look at my background, and I check the color that is going to rhyme with my background. If it doesn't go with my background, I would not use it. So that's it. If I want to change the font, I go to the font side, and then I change it to whichever font that I want. I think I like that, so I just save it. And yeah, that's it. If you want to do any other thing, you want to manipulate stuff, you want to duplicate this, you can always do that. You want to copy, you want to delete, whatever it is, this is where you work with it. And if you want to, you can move this icon to this direction to extend the duration of what you want to show this text. And that's all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya. So another thing you should know is that you can adjust it to match where you're saying what you've written out. So let's do that. Back to my channel. My name is Paula. So I have to move it down to where I mentioned my name, so it appears as my channel. My name is Paula Nanya. Okay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Nanya. I'm an esthetician living in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm also a YouTuber. Yeah. So I want to take away the year. I want to take that away because So I have a special. I'm just going to start from So I highlight that part and I take it off. I say a lot of yeah and all of that is so not necessary for the videos that I have, so I take them out when I want to edit. And I'm also a YouTuber. I have a special video for you guys today just because. So now, before we go further, or should I don't want to edit the whole thing before I show you guys the next step. So the next thing there is to add transition. So, and here is where I'm going to add the transition. So there are a lot of transition that you can use. Some would come free, while others will be like paid for. And I'm also for the have a special and I'm also have a special and I'm also have and I'm also I have a and I'm also YouTube I have and I'm also YouTube I have I'm also YouTube I have I'm also YouTube I. Okay, so basically what I was doing there is to make sure that the last statement I made is clear and it's out, so it doesn't cut it off, and then whatever it is that I said will not add up in the video. So that's why I had to keep playing it back to make sure that it matches what you're seeing. And I'm also a YouTuber. I have a special video for you guys today just because it's something I have never done. It's something that I don't think I was processing doing it. Yeah, never. I've never actually thought of doing this kind of video. So you see, I was trying to adjust my tripod here, so I'm going to cut off that part in this kind of video. So just at the ending of my talk, I'll just highlight that and okay, so I'll start where I started talking again. So this kind of video, okay, so I repeated what I said, so that means I can actually take off the part. So now when you want to go back, this icon here, this arrow that is facing your left hand side is where you press it cancels, it undoes the split, so you go back to where you actually never actually thought of doing this kind of video. So I'll take out from I've never actually thought of doing. Okay, so from where I wanted to reach for the tripod to where I started talking. I've never actually thought of doing. Okay, so take that off, delete, and then never. I've never actually thought of. So I have to take out this part again. Yeah, so never. So I've never actually thought of doing this kind of video. I just said, okay, let me just try it out, so you guys know that this period. Now around here, I would like to split, showing you the apps. Oh, I made a mistake. So I'll just showing you the. Okay. So wait, I just want to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So I'll stop here, and then I'll cut, and then I want to add another video to it. So I press the add, that's the plus sign at your left hand side. I press that, and then I go to videos and photos. Then I click on this video here and add it. So okay, it went to the back, so I have to like go back to where I actually stopped. Okay, so let's look at that. So I'm not actually thought of doing. Forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So now I'll have to add the transition. I'll come back to add transition. Then I pick the transition that I want to use. I want to use this comment. So you don't necessarily have to use that part to adjust it. You don't need to use this duration stuff to adjust it. You can just add it and then come here and adjust the main video itself. And subscribe. So let's don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let's go back. Sorry. Okay. Alright, so let's listen now. Subscribe. Alright, so now that I've done that, I would move on to the next one. So now we're going to go into the main video. So I have to add another transition. And this video is going to. Okay, so now we've gone into the main video. This video is going to consist of me showing you the apps that I use for YouTube basically, and editing and everything, content editing, and then we'll go into like how I edit. Okay, so this video is not on a live scale because I don't have a. Okay, so I made some changes about the video that I was going to use, so I have to delete where I said that on a live. Okay, so this video. So I'm going to delete that part. So split, then. I'll probably give you a more detailed one later when I have a specific video to edit. But this one is just to show you just on the surface, because basically I learned this on the job. I didn't. So now I'm going to I'm going to end it here just because I want to add that I learned this on the job. Basically, okay, let's match and then go into like how I edit. Basically, I learned this on the job. So it rhymes. I want to add a transition there actually. So it's smooth. I learned this on edit. I learned this on edit. So that it's smooth. Okay, so now how edit. I learned this on the job. And then they are very. I was rambling there, so I'm going to take that out. So you can either use them. You can either use them in now manner. And then they are very straightforward. Very straightforward. So I'll take that out. switching them regularly with this video. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, I hope you. Okay, so I did my intro and outro together, so now let's end it here. Let's cut this here. Guys, I hope you. And then you know that this is where I'm going to add this particular video that I'm filming right now, so I'm going to add it here. So now let's want to do basically. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to give this video. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, I hope you. Hi guys, I hope you. I hope you learn something from the video. If not for anything, I hope you learn. And please do not. So that's like extra that I did there, so I'm just gonna take that out too. I don't like that fixed. That's like very fixed to my. So I'm gonna take that out too. Till the next time. Bye guys. All right, so that's the end of this editing, and yeah, that's all. Then I'll add my music if I want to. So I come over here, then I go to music, and then I add a really soft solo. Let's see. I think I like this one. I use it. So I have to go back because I need to save. I have to copy it so that I'll be able to post it later on. So I'm going to work with that. Guys, after I've selected it, I'm just going to listen and then look at your channel. My name is Paula Nanya. I'm an esthetician living in Lagos, Nigeria. One thing you need to check for is to make sure that the music is not louder than your voice. So there should be a balance. So you have to work with your volume and make sure you're listening very attentively. And I'm also a YouTuber. I have a special video for you guys today just because it's something I have never done. I think I still want to reduce the music. It's about 19 now. I'm just going to take it down to 13, 12. Okay, let's work with 12. I don't even think I was processing doing it. Yeah, never. So I've never actually thought of doing this kind of video. I just said, okay, let me just try it out. So you guys your videos tutorial. I'm just going to move along here. I'll come down to this part. I want to use something else for this side. That's for the intro. So I'm going to split and adjust it. Just move it back. Okay, so I want to put something else here, and I'll go to effects, then I use this. I'll just move around and find what I'm looking for. I think I like that. Oh. Okay, I think I should use this one. So I'm just going to put it at this part. Okay, so let's just use it at the middle. Let's see how it sounds. Comment and subscribe. Okay, so we need to move it a little bit. So comment and subscribe. This video is going to consist of me showing you. That makes sense, right? I still need to reduce this music. I feel like it's really loud. The apps that I use for YouTube basically, and editing and everything concerning it. So I'll just keep going through it, and basically that's all I can do here right now, just because I don't have my complete video here. But if I do, then I would, adjust with the music and just see how it goes. So but that's it for this particular one. Yeah, when you're done, you just go to save, and you will see this come up here. This is the resolution and the frame rate. So you just pick, you can either save it in 4K or 180 or you do your frame to 60, whichever one you want, but just know that it's going to consume more space, and the data you're going to use to upload the video is going to be more. As you can see here, it's reading 8,000 plus. So but if I do this now, it's going to give me 2,000 plus, so which is a better save. You can also use this in 50 if you want, but there's no difference between the 50 and the 60 really in terms of the size. So I'll just go with this one, and yeah, it's going to work that way. And then you save it, and it's going to save to your gallery or wherever it is you normally save your videos. And that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you learned something from the video. Please do not allow editing to be your problem. Don't allow editing be the reason why you're not starting YouTube or you're not coming to the creative space. You need to take up the opportunity, because you do not really know, like, if you'll be having this hunch to start, please, now is the time for you to just kickstart that process and just start it already. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.